Another quick walk. It's threatening rain. We might even have some snow tomorrow morning or tonight late. I had already called peak, but okay. There weren't any leaves on the ground at the time. And now we've lost a lot, so it's kind of a consistent orange, which is pretty. The leaves are wet, so you're not going to get that ASMR of the leaf crunch too much. But you are hearing the ambient sounds. Let me just zoom just slightly in. They'll just scream at the leaves. That's pretty over there. There's a guy approaching, so I'm trying not to be filming him directly. That's the general area where we park for this thing. And up over that bridge is the side where I saw the buck one time along the trail. And everybody else was just whipping on by him. I did see his antlers rooting. It's funny to me. So even though I had already called it peak, with it wet, the wood of the tree, the trunk is darker and the leaves are brighter somehow, because they're not all dried up. Yeah, I'm not really thrilled about the biking. I'm showing my age lately, that's how it is. Little squirrel. Little squirrel. Little squirrel action. It's kind of comfortable. Not much wind. The background sound is traffic, like a general traffic thingy going here. Look at all the leaves. It's really kind of nice. Got my fleece lined breeches on again. It does make it nice. Oh, what's the temperature? The temperature's about 46 degrees, so for me that's cold. Notice that I don't tolerate the cool weather initially as well as I used to in about the last 6 years. So that limb is a little bit new. This area makes a nice view when the leaves are all falling down. So this is the past peak color tour. A lot of leaves have dropped. I'm going to do a short loop. I'm here completely by myself today. Got my phone in my hand. If I need help, I can get it. I was thinking about going over there on the other side today, but I stopped here first just to see what it looked like. Definitely past peak. I could have told you that. But it's kind of cool with all the leaves. You see mainly oak here. I'm celebrating the walking. So it's overcast today. It's expected to rain very soon. So it's not that bright sunlight filtered leaf view that I'd like to show you, and it is what it is. And the big bucks are usually on that other side. I'm certainly not probably going to be hanging right by the trail here. Let's do our closing shots at the North Branch here. North Branch, Chicago River, flowing from left to right, north to south. It's Saturday. Okay, a little bit of a selfie. Yes, it's me. I'm here. The none other. This is Adjust Your Focus. Out.